2000 Toyota Land Cruiser here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile vehicle, actually spent pretty much the majority of its life as a Southern vehicle until 2024. 4.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, all-wheel drive of course, automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Now, if you are going to notice a few scuffs or dings here or there on this, it's kind of one of those vehicles that are going to be priced a little inexpensively, but reliable transportation. Does have a folder full of miscellaneous receipts as well as a maintenance schedule that shows a lot of stuff done on the Carfax. Odometer reads 345,594. They say these things will run forever. All right, still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That will take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the TRD rims. Radial Tires technician did note that the tires are date coded 2020 and are starting to get down there as far as the tread wear will need attention sometime in the near future. Let's take a look down this passenger side, and you can see it's not all full of rust down the lower rockers, around the wheel wells. But again, there may be a scuff here or there, or a little nick, ding or a scratch. Interior is the neutral or tan colored interior. Leather bucket seats. He did note that the heated seats do work, and you have power on both sides, so power heated seats, and leather, not too bad a shape. Again, considering age and miles. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around till the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We do have a little bit of sun fade, the rub strip on the side. There's also a full-size spare tire. Tow package on the rear, of course. And once again, all the still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, a few notes from the technician on this one. Again, folder full of some miscellaneous receipts, and also you can see a service history on the Carfax. The brakes are 60% in the front, 80% in the rear. AC blows cold, heater blows hot. Minor powertrain seeps. And he did mention if there was something he was going to need in the future sometime, inner tie rods, and then the front passenger upper ball joint and driver's side front wheel bearing. A couple miscellaneous things he noted. If you like Toyotas, really any imports, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can see up and down the driver's side here. Again, really free of any major rust around the rockers or the wheel wells. I forgot to mention, maybe you noticed it when we walked by, the mirror. Passenger outside rear view mirror. Looks like they caught it on something, a garage door or what have you. They have it kind of strapped on there so we can keep it on there, but if you wanted to repair that, that would need some attention. All right, let's go ahead and take a little closer look at this interior, and we'll start it up. I just want to mention that mirror. All right, door panels, of course, power windows, power locks. Again, the power seat over here on the driver's side too. There's a small wear spot in that seat. Otherwise, technician did note heated seats work. Got some rubber floor mats have been installed over the other floor mats. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, so there's your exact miles, 345,594. No service engine, soon lights, check engine like that, just flashing to put my seatbelt on. Here's all the gauges are working. That was a cold start. Don't expect that gauge to be up. Again, AC blows cold. Of course, all-wheel drive, high and low. Would have locking hubs. I should really say four-wheel drive, stereo working. Oh, Lonesome George. Dash looks good. Also power sunroof. The second row bench seat also. Then of course the third row in these. Headliner looks good. Slip around to the back seat. Hear this run. Sounds good. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. We'll check out that engine bay. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. Check out that engine bay, and then like I said, very end of the video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood. That hood liner, you can see it's free of like dried salt and debris, so definitely a southern vehicle, and it shows on the engine bay too. Look at how clean this is. 4.7 liter V8. Of course, again, automatic with overdrive. I think I said locking hubs. I meant locking lugs earlier, by the way. K&N cold air intake. Running smooth, sounds good. Obviously, reliable engines. 2000 Toyota Land Cruiser. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the still pics, and yes, there is a clean Carfax on this one. No accidents indicated. Consult with your sales associate. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a reliable machine, a 2000 Toyota Land Cruiser, and despite its miles, it's hard to tell. It drives very nice, no cracks in the dash. This is an automatic on the center console, well equipped with leather seating, heated seats in the front here. Our turn signals are working, the heat is working, the AC blows cold in this truck. Stereo actually sounds really good. Four-wheel drive, of course, with the push of a button, high and low for the shifter down there for four-wheel drive. Very comfortable. Sunroof over my head. Now the fuel gauge is reading full. The battery is charging over 14 volts. Speedometer and tachometer working. The oil pressure is right in the middle of the gauge. Temperature almost halfway. That all looks good. Nice ride to this truck. You can hear the tires. There's a little bit of cupping on those tires, but regardless, it rides nice. Not a windy, noisy ride. A quiet ride. One of the most reliable engines I could think of would probably be a Toyota. Besides the Chevy small block, of course. Brakes are nice and smooth. Corners well. For a tall SUV, you don't really notice it leaning. Kickdown is working on the automatic transmission. Check out all the pictures of this good running 2000 Toyota Land Cruiser at uniqueclassiccars.com.